Emakhosini bantwana bethonya namkela kuhlelo lwethu nisahlele nesalukazi senu intombi endala ugogo Patricia. Ngifuna sifundisaneni and especially abantu abathi abathandazi noma bahamba nezithunywa noma mahamba ngedlozi. One thing I found nice eDlozini noma welga moya, it's that it teaches a different narrative or some sort of responsibility from what Tina basic jwayele. Isintu sikufundisa ukuthi ukwazi ukuthatha irresponsibility for all your actions. Remember uNkulunkulu usiphe ifree will. You've got a decision to take regarding your life. Indlela zothu. This is the way that you are meant to go. This is the way that you are not meant to go. It's up to you if you go to the way that you are meant to go or the way that you are not meant to go. And uNkulunkulu cannot force you, or your guides cannot force you, or your ancestors cannot force you, right? Now, with a lot of thina abantu abathi siyamkhonza uNkulunkulu noma siyamthanda uNkulunkulu, siyalithanda ivangeli lakhe, siyalishumayela ivangeli lakhe. Inkinga yethu ukuthi asithandi ukuthatha irresponsibility. Yebo uNkulunkulu forgives our sins. Yebo uNkulunkulu has our back. Yebo uNkulunkulu is a protector. He loves us and nakho konke. But it does not say that you must not take responsibility. The Bible says that no sin goes unpunished. So if no sin goes unpunished, do you think ukuthi mawufika enkonzweni yakho la ukhonza khona, it can be kubazalwane, it can be eZion, it can be ePostoli, it can be eZCC, wherever wena la uthi khona ukhonza khona, bese ufike uthi ngoba sengiyakhonza ngiyamamkela uNkulunkulu as inkosi nomsindisi wami, then automatically all of a sudden wena you've escaped noma wena you will not have to be punished for the sins that you have. Angeke uhambe uyodlwengula obulala umuntu bese uyesontweni bese uthi inkosi ingcolele, ngigeziwe mina ngegazi laka Jesu. Is it fair? Because kunalo naye othandazayo othi inkosi bangibulalela uma, inkosi bangibulalela ingane, cela ukuthi udile nalabantu. So uNkulunkulu ulalela bani maku kanjeni? So esintwini siyafundiswa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthatha irresponsibility for every actions. Mawukhiphe isisu, it's your duty and your responsibility ukuthi uyocleanse, and not only be cleansed but ask for forgiveness for that specific thing. You must say it. Mina I remember of which it's things that we never talk about. We are ashamed about them, right? Ngasikhipha mina isisu, and I'm not saying it's a nice thing, but I'm saying I took responsibility and I owned up to it. And ubaba wayenginceda, wayesonta kaShembe, wathi kimi, ingane ewizalayo akusingane yakho, ingane kama wakho. Kwa wena usingane kama wakho, ingane kagogo. So ngoba wena wabulala noma wakhipha ingane kama wakho, you need to go sit down with her first and say, ma, kuke kwayenzakala isimo esithize nesithize 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 nesithize, uxoxe naye bese akuhlambulule nathi ingane yami ngiyaxolela, or you were young in kenzeke lokho kenzekalayo. Mangiceda, still take responsibility, because of now lo muntu lengane beyiphila ngaphakathi kuwena. It's not only spirit, it's not only inyama, kodwa it's the spirit. Yes, wena ungabona ukuthi wakhipha leyo nyama beyithi yakhuluma, but the spirit, the soul bese kuumuntu, for the fact ukuthi uke wahlala la eswini sakho. And a part of it had to be also giving lo mphefumulo igama. Isilungu sesasifundisa ukuthi sibobiza it asina it esintwini. Umupha legama uyacela intethelelo, uyacleansa, then you free the spirit, you free the soul. And ukubonisa ukuthi masikholiwe singabi amaqoki. Ngikhumbula eBhayibhelini lento le yaqala ngoAdam noEva. uNkulunkulu wathi kuAdam, khona lesihlahla engisibekile, ithelo zakhona you're not supposed to eat. The instruction was given to Adam. uNkulunkulu wa creator uEva noma waletha uEva for uAdam. Kodwa uAdam sekedlile. uNkulunkulu uyabafuna yamfuna uthi Adam kuphi na? Adam uthi hayi Nkosi, ngilana inkinga ukuthi sengidlile ene nginqunu. Futhi uNkulunkulu uthi kuphi na? uAdam wenzeni, what have you done? Adam, instead of taking responsibility, he says, akusi mina Nkosi, yilo nkosikazi owangilethela yena. So now he's blaming lo nkosikazi, and he's blaming uNkulunkulu ukuthi kuba uzange ungiphe lo nkosikazi, kuba ngizange ngifike la ngikhona. That was not the question. The question is wenzeni. Hlambuluka. There is an opportunity for you to ukuthi uhlambuluke. Eva wenzeni. Instead of Eva taking responsibility of what she has done, uthi uNkulunkulu inyoka ithe nami ngayenza. The question is not inyoka iyenzeni. The question is take responsibility. You must confess your sin. There's power in confessing your sin. Ngoba for as long as you have not confessed it, you have not healed. If uke wabulala umuntu wena makuceda wayesontweni soyasonta bese uthi uJesu ukuxolele, no, akakaxoleli. You still have to go kulomdeni owawona and confess. If when azange uboshwe noma till today akwaziwa, you still have to go confess. Then only then uNkulunkulu can forgive you. Thina sicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyithoyi esidlala ngayo and akusithoyi. uNkulunkulu ayikho into enzakala emhlabeni angayazi. Yebo uyazi, yebo ubonile ukuthi uwonile, ubulele, ubonile ukuthi utshontshile, ubonile ukuthi ufebile, ubonile, kodwa you must confess. Angeke uthi wena wafebela indoda yakho, wazala ingane komunye umuzi, wahamba wena wayosonta waba umama omthandazo, wagqoka iphika, wagqoka izembatho, mawuceda uthi hayi uNkulunkulu ungixolele. No, you still have to go confess izono zakho. Then sekuzophuma kumuntu ukuthi okay ngiyaxolela noma ngikuxoleli, kodwa wena eyakho indima uyenzile, sekulele kubona ukuthi bona bayenzani with the information. uNkulunkulu uluthando, and uyabonelela, ubona nasekujuleni, ubona nalathi nasicanga ukuthi akaboni khona. Kwesinye isikhathi uzothi uthi uyakhohlisa, kanti ukhohlisa uNkulunkulu kanti awukhohlisi yena, ukhohlisa wena ngoba uNkulunkulu uyalazi iqiniso, and is waiting for you to open your mouth and confess. Masithembekeni ngokweqiniso. In order for you to grow spiritually, ufanele uthembeke. Masithembekeni bantwana bethongo. Masithembekeni, le ndlela ayikho simple, kodwa masithembekeni. masizinikele ngokweqiniso. Masithembekeni. Kuningi I'm having this information download, but yeah, emakhosini.